Hi everyone, Steve Nguyen here, Yammer Product Evangelist. We're here in the Yammer office in San Francisco. I have with me Kaleem Rahman. He's one of the Yammer product managers. And over the past year plus or so, Kaleem's been leading an effort on our part called Yammer Market Adoption. So Kaleem, why don't you tell us a little bit about what that is and what you've been working on?
Yeah, thanks, Steve. I joined Yammer about 2 years back from the Windows user experience team. And over here, I've been heading up an initiative called Market Adoption, which is all about helping large customers get good value out of Yammer. As we were growing, what we realized was that a lot of our larger customers in specific domains and specific industries have unique needs from our product. And so over the first year and a half or so, I've spent a lot of my time here at Yammer really trying to help figure out how to solve the problems and needs of IT and compliance managers specifically. And so we built a lot of things in this area, from helping us get EU model clauses and HIPAA compliance to things like mobile application management and integrating with the Office 365 Management Activity API.
Yeah.
And more recently, over the last year, as we've made a lot of progress on solving the needs of those IT and compliance managers, we started focusing on helping out a lot of the community managers who exist in some of our large customers to really help their own organizations build really good communities and get the most value out of Yammer.
Yeah. So just to recap, you've done a lot of work kind of removing blockers, a lot of things that were troublesome for big companies, like you said, IT blockers in many ways. So lots of great stuff that has been shipped and delivered there. Now it sounds like you're progressing and we're moving towards really helping to enable community managers get more out of Yammer. And I know one of the main areas that we hear a lot from our customers on is just having greater, deeper insights into what's happening within their networks. So can you talk a little bit about some of the research that you did to understand what some of those unique problems were?
Yes, absolutely. So we here at Yammer, in our product team, we've got a really good user research team and design team and analytics team. And over the last year or so, we've spent a bunch of time trying to understand the needs of our customers and the pain points that community managers have. So to this end, we've done a few different things. We spent a bunch of time with our user research team trying to understand the needs of network and group administrators in Yammer. I myself was at the Ignite conference last year along with a bunch of my colleagues, and we spent a bunch of time talking to people and understanding the different kinds of things people are looking to do with our product. And not only that, we followed that up with having a bunch of deeper, just one-on-one conversations with a bunch of different community managers, and even conducting a sort of a workshop with our MVPs to come up with, to figure out some of the problems and come up with ideas for them. And later on, when we came up with some of these ideas, we even tested them out with some of our customers. So over the last year and a half or so, we spent a lot of time really understanding these different problems and taking people with us through that journey and learning from them and getting that energy and then channeling that into creating some good useful things.
Great, and you mentioned our user research team, and so they did a lot of interviews with real users, right? Real community managers, and real customers. So aside from our MVPs, which you spent time with, we got some really good data from people that actually use the product. We have a really great session at Ignite. Anna Marie and Emma and Supriya, other product managers, they're going to be doing a great session at Ignite about how we build. So highly encourage you to attend that. But you're also doing a session at Ignite on this topic of getting deeper insights out of your Yammer network. So can you maybe tease a little bit about what you're going to talk about and what's going to happen in that session?
Yeah, absolutely. So in this session, there's a couple of things we want to do. We actually want to share with the audience some of the things that we learned through this journey over the last year, and how that's informed how we take a look at community management and how we plan to help its cause in our product. And the second thing we'll do is we'll share some of the awesome updates that have happened in a couple of our existing products where we've put in more Yammer data, like the Office 365 usage reporting and the adoption content pack in Power BI. And at the session, we'll be showing you also some really cool new tools to help improve and foster and nurture your own groups. So that'll definitely be worth coming and checking out. So I hope I'll see some of you over there.
Yeah, really looking forward to that session. You and Allison Michaels will be co-presenting that session. A lot of people know Allison, so I know a lot of our customers will be excited to hear a lot of what we're going to be delivering with regards to insights within Yammer.
Yeah, and we'll be showing these tools. We'll have a lot of different demos and show you some of the real life use cases. And how you might use these tools in your day-to-day job.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Kaleem, for taking some time with us. Looking forward to Ignite. We'll see you all there. Thanks.